Hi, good morning my dear student. Yes, last class we have discussed already. We are started for the range, domain and codomain of trigonometric function. So in this expression already we have discussed about by the definitions of sine and cosine functions of a domain, the set of all real numbers, and we are going to express for the codomain. It means if we are going to -1 to 1 close interval and open intervals. So next we are going to express for the some functions are there. In this expression we are going to most of the definition. Here all such trigonometric function in that especially how it increases and how it decreases for the trigonometric function. Let us discuss one by one by the unit circle. Let us discuss the unit circle. So now listen carefully. ಪ್ರಿಯ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡೊಮೇನ್, ರೇಂಜ್, ಟ್ರಿಗೊನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಇದೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ದಿ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಈ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ x axis. Here x dash. So here the point we have considered a value origin point. So here y, here y dash, right? I'm going to consider a point r 1 0. So here that point I'm taking a unit circle. Here p x y, right, or ab. So especially that anti-clockwise direction, it is called x-axis, x radian. So by the addition you are going to take here cos 0, sin 0, right? So here 0, next here value pi by 2 it means. So next express for the 0 1 cos 0, so sorry, cos pi by 2, sin pi by 2, right? That expression. So here this is called a pi. It means you are going to express for the b. So here express for c. This is the pi. So what are the c point? -1 0 cos pi sin pi, right? I'm going to express for the trigonometric function. So here d point, what are the d point? 0 to -1. Here this is the 3 pi by 2. So cos 3 pi by 2 sin 3 pi by 2 trigonometric function. So I'm going to take this one x y, right? Here x y. Here we are going to take the point x, y, right? Keen observation are most important for the trigonometric function. So this is the first quadrant, right? First quadrant. So this one, let us consider the second quadrant. Second quadrant. So this one it can express for the third quadrant, right? And this is the fourth quadrant, right? And just see that let the x and y are the 2 point of unit circle, right? Let x1 and consider or ab can take in this point. So look at this one, x, where x goes on decreases. The x is there, x and y. So x, the point 1 to 0. So the point goes on, the x point decreases from 1 to 0. Look at this. The point 1 to 0 decreases from 1 to 0 in the first quadrant. Right? First quadrant. And 0 to minus 1. Keep up the here x point 1, 0, 0 to 0. Now not a 0. You can express for the value. So where you are going to take 1, 0, first point, you can express easy for reversal. So here A point R 1, 0. So B point R 0 to 1, right? C point R to the C point minus 1 to 0. D points R. What are the D points? 0 to minus 1 and complete for the circle it expresses. So look at this one, 1 to 0, only x point. This is the y point. So x point 1 to 0 decreases, 0 to 1. Look at this one and x point decreases with 0 to minus 1. So here 0, here minus 1. From in the second quadrant, right? So and look at that third quadrant, minus 1 to 0. In the third quadrant, third quadrant of x point is increases. So increases minus 1 to 0. Let it up. You are going to consider. So minus 1 to here that minus 1 to 0. Here minus 1 is there. This one goes on, increases it like a number line. And that point, fourth quadrant. So look at this one, fourth quadrant, x point is, so here 0 to, look at this one, 0 to 1 is there, right? What is the A point? So A point I can take here, 1 to 0, 0 to 1 is there, x point increases to 0 to increases from 0 to 1, right? It is a complete factor for the x point. And what about the y points? So keen observe, right? So in the complete unit circle, look at this one. So here second point, 1, 0 to 1. So in the first quadrant, so 0 to 1 is increases, right? And look at, so second part 1 to 0, 1 to second quadrant, second quadrant, look at this one, here that 1 to 0, right? 0 to 1, 1 to 0, second quadrant, 1 to 0 is decreases, right? And third quadrant, where is the third quadrant? Here that. So third quadrant 2, here second to third is there. So 0 to minus 1, 0 to minus 1 is decreases, right? And last one, fourth quadrant, right? Fourth quadrant. So where is the fourth quadrant? Minus 1 to 0. Minus 1 to 0 is increases, right? So only I am going to consider x and y points. In the next point, I am going to define for the one of the greatest unit circle. Already you know that sine where increases and where decreases, and cos where increases, where decreases, tan where increases and where decreases by the angle chart and along with the point. So let us discuss in the next concept trigonometric function, discuss with the increases and decreases. Thank you so much. I will continue the next point. Bye.